Hey guys, how's it going? How to make custom photos in Bloxburg Roblox. So first of all, create your image on Roblox. Use an image editing software on online tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even Microsoft Paint to design your custom photo. Save the image in supported format, usually PNG or JPEG, and then upload this image to the website. You can use an image hosting platform like Imgur or Post Image to upload your picture. Ensure the image is public and has a direct link. After uploading, right click on the image and select copy image address, or use the share option provided by the image hosting site to get the direct URL. And then you're gonna be able to open the bloxburg and launch Roblox and enter bloxburg, and then access the build mode. Enter your plot in build mode to start designing your space, and then use the advanced menu. Look for a decorations tab in the build menu. Find the picture item which allows you to place custom images, and then when prompted for the image URL, paste the direct link to the image you uploaded. Confirm and place the photo in your build, and then you're gonna be able to resize and adjust the position of the custom photo as needed to fit your design. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.